Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up email marketing automations on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your store. Now, click on Settings from the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Next, click on Notifications from the Settings menu. Here, you'll find different customer notifications like order confirmation, shipping updates, and more. Click on Order Confirmation to open it. You'll see a summary of the email template that Shopify sends automatically when a customer places an order. You can choose to edit the email content by clicking Edit Code or send yourself a test email to preview it. Now go back and click on Draft Order Invoice to see another example of automated emails. Here, you can view and customize the email your customers receive when you send them an invoice for a draft order. To set up advanced email marketing automations, you can install Shopify Email or a third-party app like Klaviyo or Omnisend from the Shopify App Store. These apps allow you to create automation flows for welcome emails, abundant chart reminder, post-purchase follow-ups, and more. Once the app is installed, you can create workflows based on customer actions, making your email marketing fully automated and more effective. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.